How are we doing today?
I ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but
Good. Oh, well, that part's not good now, is it? Gonna see here. Oh yeah, we're gonna get started, okay? Just be careful. Take a deep breath in. How was that? Good? Okay, sit up for me. Now I need you to be completely still for this one. You okay? You crying? And release. How was that? You okay? Let's do this. I'm gonna do one more crack on you, and then I'm gonna get you set up with my receptionist. We're gonna get you in another 2 hours because you're gonna feel that. 1, 2, and you look great. How are you feeling? Yeah. You look a lot more relaxed.
you are.
You're good to go. Okay. All right. Don't forget to pay your bill. Bye.